something new here. Balance ball. Basically, I'm trying to lose weight, so I'm trying to do these exercises. I also bought the dumbbells and I'm gonna use this with. So we have the box here. It's called Game Essential Balance Ball Base Kit. So let's see what's inside the box. Come closer. Hurry up a bit. So here we're opening it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Alright, so we have the ball here. And I don't know what is this. I think it might be. So it is, oh, as you see the ball here, see how it is? So you can use like this, use like this. So the circle, okay, I like this exercise. I did this exercises before and they're amazing. You don't need to go to gym. So, and then what we have here is stability ring, tools needed, setup. So the setup instruction is here, as you can see, and workout tips, that's good. Care, important safety cautions, workout tips, care, everything. Now, here is the pump. So basically this is the one that you need to you'll fill the balloon with. Okay, let's open it here. This is how it is. So this is it. And this one, I think it will be something as Ahmed said. Okay, I got it. This is the one here, down here.
Circle there.
The circle, maybe I'll stop using the gaming chair.
You can use the
and
gaming
I'll start
chair?
using that. All right, so we'll set it up and we'll show you. So here we're trying to fill it up with air using the pump that came with it.
I got it. It says Gaia.
Oh, wow, it looks like it's done.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
Okay. This is done. How you guys are doing there?
No.
How you guys are doing there?
No. Get it out. Oh, we're good. This is the ball. It has this thing to like, I don't know, block it from getting out, I guess. No, it's to balance it. That's why it's called a balance ball. When you sit on it, it's just like that. So it doesn't go all the way down. Yeah. Now guys, look at me. Wait, guys, this isn't the real purpose of it. It's for exercise. So, I think this is one of them.